This $20 foam gun, and we'll see how it works. This is the place where I feel. So I've been thinking about it, and I think I'm going to do a little bit of a shift to the way I make videos on this channel. So I realized that looking through my subscribers right now, most of them are like friends and coworkers and stuff. So I'm gonna kind of make videos as if I was just talking to those people. I think it'll help me be a little more natural, and it'll make my videos like a little bit more enjoyable. I'm also gonna be changing the way I do the giveaway. So instead of doing all these extra rules, I'm just gonna do it out of all my subscribers when I hit 100 subscribers. So I'm gonna make that change in the descriptions on this video and all the previous videos. So today, it's been a long time coming, but I'm gonna be cleaning my bike. All the salt, I'm gonna be cleaning the wheels. You can see kind of right here how gunked they were. The way I usually like to do it is to clean the chain and then clean the bike and then lube the chain after I clean the bike. So that way it still has lube and it's not all washed off while I wash the bike. I really like using this Muck Off product because it's safe for all surfaces and carbon fiber and paint and everything. And it does a really good job cleaning off the paint, off the chain. Muck Off's already going to work. Definitely see all this gunk from the chain. You can see it just clearing up right there. I am working on a little bit of a time constraint because I do have work in a couple hours. So one thing I've been focusing on is how to try and manage time so you can do everything you need to. Not letting one thing run your whole life. These will all use carb cleaner for, because those are just metal. So go ahead and do that, because that'll be quick. Carb cleaner is great for many things, but not for anything painted or with a nice finish. So, got the wheels and the axles cleaned up and everything. And get it down and get ready to go to the wash. So, we went to the car wash and it was like full. So, instead we went to O'Reilly's. I got this, and then I got the, what's the, Carnauba? Who makes that? Mother's Carnauba wash and wax deal. And this $20 foam gun. And we'll see how it works. It's better than nothing, but I don't have time to wait there because I got to get going to work. Alright. So, here we go. Put the soap in there. It's coming out of the coming out of the base of this thing. So it's not the connection, it's like the damn, this water's cold. It's like the gun is messed up already. What the hell? Alright, fuck it.
Are you on the soap setting?
Huh?
Foam. Try now.
Oh, it's only one of them is for soap. I thought all of them would be for soap. So the bike's pretty clean overall. I would say my final verdict on the $20 foam cannon is all it really does is spread the soap. I really did all this cleaning myself. So I'd probably rather go to a self-wash or just eventually get a real foam cannon. But yeah, you really get what you pay for with that kind of stuff. Oh well.